24.2% with the frequency of 29.
Lapit mo.
Majority of the high school graduates that got the
Wow, Mati.
20%
Ano ba yan?
of 95% with the
Nainis.
frequency of 140. And
Yun.
majority
Sumpa, pre.
that got the 30% of 90.8% with the frequency of 100.
Nabo.
Parang pastor eh. No?
Demographic profile of the faculty member.
Ano ng ulo ni ate?
Based on the
Ano ng ulo
tabulated
yan?
data shown in the table, faculty
25.
members, majority of the faculty members were 21 to 35 years old with a percentage of 60.9%. Majority of the faculty members were female
Late niya.
with 58.3%. Majority of the faculty members were from the College of Arts and Sciences with 34.8%. Majority of
Good
the
afternoon to all
faculty
of you. Ready
members,
to end.
highest
We are
educational
here
attainment
to-
for master's degree with a percentage of 39.1%. 39.1. Majority of the faculty members were single with a percentage of 41.7%.
The demographic profile of the alumni. According to the result of the study, the majority of the alumni, which is composed of 100 people who answered the questionnaire, the majority belong to the age bracket of 21 to 35 years old, has a 92%. And the gender is male with 57%. Highest educational attainment, all of them are college graduate here in Cavite State University. Civil status is single with 82%. Demographic
Ano ikaw
profile.
muna? Oh. Si Gia, si Janjan, ako, ikaw, si Krista.
The majority of the respondents belong to the age bracket of 46 to 55 years old with a percent of 42. Next, the majority of the respondents belong to the gender bracket of female with a percent of 52. The majority
Para
of the
kasi Carlin
respondents
eh.
belong to the bracket of
Ano kuha naman?
high school graduates with a percent of 60. The majority of the respondents belong to the civil status bracket of marriage with a percent of 98.
Ma.
Ano ba naman? Huwag mo masyadong...
Konti naman na.
University Mission Advisor. This section shows the degree of awareness of the respondents and composed of 435 respondents. Choices were given such as highly aware, moderately aware,
Ano ba yan? Iba yan? Iba yan?
It shows that the faculty members has a weighted mean of 3.85, which is belong to the legend of 4.00
Iba to?
to 3.25
Ano,
with a
pakaligyan
verbal
pa?
interpretation of